Right. So, hello everyone. My name is Arush, and today we are here to have a debate with Mr. Ishan, and the topic is about arranged versus love marriage. And I personally believe that arranged marriage is very better than love marriage because I have some reasons behind it. So, first, let us know about what is a marriage. What is the definition of marriage? So, marriage is what you can say that two people agree to live together and support each other. This is a marriage, and the reason I don't like love marriage is that if we see divorce cases, then you guys might be thinking that the divorce cases must be so much in arranged marriage, because arranged marriage we don't know about our partner how she slash she is going to be. But it is that love marriage have more divorce cases. Like if arranged marriage have 4% divorce cases, then love marriage have 40%, 10x of it means 100 out of 60 40 people are getting divorced after that. Then what's the benefit of love marrying, brother, when we will get divorced? And my second point is about family support. So suppose you are fallen in love with someone, okay, and your parents don't agree to the marriage, then what will you do? So mostly people what do is that they go against their family and marry the guy. But when you marry a guy and you and your parents doesn't support you, so what they do is that they 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 go against you, and if you do it, then you will not be able to get any kind of support in your future, like financial support or any kind of support, because you have gone against them. So this is my points. Now I would like Mr. Ishan to speak, and really I really hope for an answer.
Okay, brother. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Brother, assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Mohammad Ishan, and today we are debating here on a very interesting topic. The topic is about marriage, that is love marriage better or arranged marriage? So, in my personal point of view, love marriage is far better than arranged marriage. First of all, I would like to answer him. As he mentioned that most of the cases, divorce cases, are from the love marriage. So, brother, I would like to say that most of the cases of arranged marriage are not raised for the divorce, because what happens that when a girl is married to a boy, so she gets beaten. Okay, she is not behaved well by her husband, she is not treated well in her in-laws house, but in spite of she leaves, and she does not raise her voice, she does not go to the court, she does not go to the police, she doesn't do anything. What happens that one day she dies. This is what happens, domestic violence in a arranged marriage, because a girl thinks about her parents, about pressure, and about respect, that if I go at my home, then what would be the respect of my father and what society will talk about me. Just because of this pressure, the most of the cases of divorce in arranged marriage are not raised. This is what I think, as you said. Now I would like to tell my point, which is about against the parents, that as you are thinking that love marriage against the parents, brother, I would say that today we are living in a generation where a boy has two girlfriends, three girlfriends, and it's not over that they just talk whole day on Instagram and WhatsApp and all. They go to meet each other, they just touch each other, and the things which should not be done before the marriage, they do. And after meeting them, they come to their friends and they tell that, yeah, today I went to meet, today I did this, and even they click the photos, they show to their friends. So, brother, that's not the love marriage, that's not even, neither that is love nor that is marriage. That's only using, that's you are only removing your physical need of your body, that's only your fantasy. The real love marriage is that where you like a girl, suppose you like a girl, so what will you do? Instead of just visiting the places, going to the parks of the Delhi, visiting, taking the pictures, what will you do? That you will go to her home and ask for the marriage proposal to her parents, and by the grace of Allah, if you are able to convince them, then you will marry. And if you really love someone, then you will definitely convince your father, your parents, and the parents of that girl. And today, like suppose this is later when we will be mature. Today at this age, when today I'm 17 years old, this is the age when we will have attraction towards the opposite gender. So in this age, if I fall in love with someone, I like someone, so what will I do? Not, I should not do that. I will take her Instagram ID, I will talk all day. No, brother, that's wrong. What we have to do is, I have to focus on myself. I have to succeed this much that tomorrow, if I send my parents with the marriage proposal, so they don't have to deny. That's the real love marriage. That's the marriage which we call love marriage, not like as you all are thinking.
Okay, brother. So as you said that if we love someone, so we have to ask for the parents. So first of all, brother, mostly brown parent doesn't agree for the marriage, because as we all know that if we are getting grown, so they decide our partner already that you will marry your cousin. So that's happening in our India, mostly in brown parents. And let me tell you a story as well as an answer. So there was a village girl who fallen in love with a guy, and then what happened is that she knew that her parents will not agree at any cost, because they already choose a partner for her, and that guy was not good. So what they do, they elope with the she elope with that guy, and they ran away. And you know what happened next? The family got hated so much, like extremely. The society hated them and roasted them about what your girl did, etc., etc. And and the what happened next is that the guy used the girl and sent her back, means used her totally, and didn't agree for the marriage. And the reason she ran away with the guy was marriage, but the guy didn't agree. Yeah, and the father said that God, please don't ever give me a girl again. So this is what happening in our India, and most the reason is love marriage.
Listen, brother, what I said, I agree 100% with you. Whatever story you told, I agree. So that's what I am saying, that that's not love marriage, brother. See, that person did not even marry that girl. So that's not neither love nor marriage. That's, you are only removing your physical body need. Okay, that's what I am saying. Next thing I would like to tell about the divorce cases that people are talking about, that 38%, 40%. So I think that it depends on understanding of both of the partners who are married each other. Like, if your understanding is good, suppose you are married and you are married and you are in anger, you vent your anger on your wife. So it is about understanding. Instead of just replying back, she should understand that you are hurted. Then later she will put her points that you did this, you did that, you did that. Same thing will happen with her also. So it is about understanding. They were mentioning about the divorce cases. So brother, I don't think like that. It's about only the understanding.
Okay, brother. That another thing I have to ask you, that you said that love marriage is a thing which is good about, as you are in favor. So the question is, why the divorce cases are more in love marriage, when we know our partner well, that how she is, when because we are dating him, her, he, whatever he is.
Listen, brother, it's not like that. Why divorce cases are more when we already know each other? So the reason is, brother, when we love each other, we are open with each other. So what happens, that if in the future you hurt your wife, you have done the love marriage, you hurt your wife, so she will raise her voice. Okay, she will raise her voice. But suppose, brother, that suppose, brother, just suppose, so she will raise her voice, and that's the thing, that in most of the cases of love marriage, that voice is raised and they get the support from the police, from the government. But as I told you in the starting, that what happens in arranged marriage, that the most of the girls, most of the women are scared, have fear for the respect of the society. As Farhan Bhai mentioned about the society, that if I do the love marriage, what will happen with the society? Brother, listen, that when you grow, society will talk bad about you. When you don't grow, society will talk bad about you. When you become something, society will talk bad about you. You do whatever, society will talk bad about you. So that's up to you, brother. Marry the person whom you love, whom you want in your life. At least you will not be regretting tomorrow in your future that, yeah, I should have done that. And if you do the love marriage today, listen, like suppose you are falling in love with someone, you love someone, and you are not able to marry with that person, so you will have to do arranged marriage, and you will not live with that girl or boy willingly, knowingly. Okay, that's what I think, that you won't be able to live with that person willingly, because you don't know about that and you used to love any other person. That's it.
Okay, brother, I don't have more points left as well, and thank you so much for giving all of my answers.